Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the stye. Stye is nothing but it is a small painful lump which can be seen in the inside or outside of the eyelid. What are the causes of stye? Stye can occur because of various reasons, but the most common reason is bacterial infection, that is Staphylococcus bacteria. Generally, this bacteria can be present anywhere, but if our hands are unhygienic, with unhygienic hands, if we constantly rub or if we constantly touch our eyes, there are chances of bacterial infection causing this stye. And also, basically or generally, there are certain glands in the eyelid. So by any chance, if there are blockage in these oil glands, then stye can occur. And the other reason is by using contaminated cosmetics, that is using others mascara, eyeliner, and regular use of expired cosmetics also results in the stye. And recently a journal was published and they claim that this stye is more common in the COVID era. And the reason they attributed is that is in COVID times there are excessive use of mask and people will breathe and people will talk while wearing mask. And because of this, there are high chances of bacteria from the nose or from the oral cavity enters into the eyes, causing this stye. Now we'll go with the symptoms of stye. Generally, this stye starts as a small painful lump on the eyelids, and in turn it may progress into the pus formation, and the person may experience symptoms like eye redness, watery eyes, and certain foreign body sensation, that is something the sensation of stucking in the eyes, etc. These are all some of the symptoms of stye. Now we'll go with the treatment of stye. Generally, stye will resolve on its own within 7 days, but for symptomatic relief, certain remedies are provided. First one is warm or hot compress. Just take a clean towel or a handkerchief, dip it in hot water or warm water, and place this handkerchief over the infected eye for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat the procedure daily for 4 to 5 times per day. Because of hot or warm application, the blockage which is seen in the eye glands begins to dissolve, thereby reduces the infection. And the second remedy is massaging the stye. Wash your hands and with fingers gently and slowly massage the eyelids so that we can reduce the pain and we can reduce the infection also. One important thing is please don't pop or squeeze the stye. Popping or squeezing the stye resulting in rapid spread of infection. So please you don't pop or squeeze the stye. And the third remedy is using certain antibiotic ointments like erythromycin, etc. Using these ointments twice a day for 7 days can also give symptomatic relief. Now we'll go with the care to be taken when a person suffers with the stye. First one is drinking more water. Drinking more water hydrates the body, thereby reduces the infection. And the second care to be taken that we should not touch the eye repeatedly. And third care is frequent eye washing should be done so that we can reduce the pain and we can reduce the infection. Fourth one is please don't use any eye makeup or don't use any contact lens if you are suffering from stye. This is all about the stye. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.